Hi, this is Linda at Pine Heart U. Do you need a dessert that you can whip up like that? I've got just the one for you for 4th of July. A cake that just takes minutes to put together. So if you need something in a hurry, this is perfect.
Right, first, we're going to spray the Bundt pan with some non-stick spray. Pick your favorite white cake mix and just follow the instructions that are on the box. I used 3 egg whites instead of the 2 eggs just to keep my batter more white. When finished mixing, we're going to divide the batter into 3 equal amounts in different bowls. Stir in the desired amount of food coloring and mix it well. You're going to want 1 bowl of red, 1 bowl of blue icing, and then keep 1 plain for your white icing. Carefully put all of your red batter in the bottom of the Bundt pan. Now carefully pour the white batter on top of the red batter, filling the pan all the way around. With the blue batter, we want to make a little inside ring within the white batter. You want to see the white batter around the edges of the blue ring.
That's about 5 minutes, and now we're going to bake it for 40 to 45 minutes at 350.
To make the decorations, you are going to need some red, white, and blue vanilla flavored melting candy wafers available at any hobby store. You can get a silicone mold. This one says USA, and those are available also at any hobby store. To make the fireworks, I laid out 8 toothpicks on a foil-lined cookie sheet. I put 3 colors of melted wafers inside of a disposable pastry bag, and I snipped the very tip of each bag. Starting in the middle, I made a line coming out just like a burst in a firework. When I reach the desired effect, then I place all of the decorations in the refrigerator. Now it's time to make the icing. 2½ cups of powdered sugar, add in 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that up, and then we'll add the food coloring. If the icing seems a little thick, just add 1 more tablespoon of milk. Separate the icing into 3 separate bowls. add desired amount of food coloring. Fill 3 of the plastic pastry bags with your icing. Using one color at a time, just squeeze out in a striping motion across the cake, back and forth, all the way around, and do one color at a time. You can add sprinkles if you like.